to control our mind and to have a healthy heart and to reduce the blood pressure. A simple technique of meditation is called prana dharana. Prana means the pranavayu which we inhale and exhale, on which our life sustains. Dharana means to concentrate on that prana vayu. When we are sitting in our home, when the fan is on, if we concentrate, we can feel the touch of the air on our bare body, like the hands, the face, or when we are outside, when the wind blows, we feel the touch of the wind to our bare body. The same way, when we inhale or take the air inside our body, we feel the touch of the air in the nostrils or nose. So try to feel the touch of the air in the nostrils. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Keep the back straight. Feel the air going inside our lungs. And when we leave the air out, feel the movements of the chest and the stomach, and feel the touch of the air in the nostrils or nose. When we inhale, our chest expands, diaphragm goes down, stomach bulges out. When we leave the air out, stomach goes in, diaphragm comes up, chest contracts, and we leave the air out. Realize the movement of the chest and the stomach along with the breath. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. When you get aware of the touch of the air in the nostrils, then try to realize or feel the coolness and warmness of the air in the nose. That is, when we inhale, the touch of the air in the nose is little cool. With the exchange of oxygen and the toxins in the lungs, the air become little hot, and that's why we feel the air little warm when we leave the air out from the nose. At the tip of the nose, we feel the air little warm. That means when we inhale, the touch of the air is cool, and when we leave the air out, the touch of the air is little warm. So close the eyes, concentrate on the breath, slowly inhale, slowly exhale, and feel the touch of the air in the nose. That is called as prana dharana. It will calm down your mind. The blood pressure will get reduced. The heartbeats get reduced. It's very good for the psychological health and automatically for the physical health as well, because body and mind health depends upon each other. So do this prana dharana for 5 minutes You may keep a CD of Onkar chant or Mahamrityunjay mantra in a low voice so that not to distract the mind. And when you able to feel the touch of the air in the nose, then automatically the thought process in the brain minimize and all the body muscles and the tendons they get relaxed. Hence the unwanted pressure on the internal body parts get released and the unwanted pressure in the joints and the bones get released. So automatically this simple technique of prana dharana will give you a healthy mind and a healthy body. So concentrate on the breath. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. The back should be straight, but the shoulders must be relaxed. I will chant Mahamrityunjay mantra. Concentrate on the breath and listen the mantra so that cool down your mind and the body. Slowly inhale, slowly exhale. Feel the air going inside our lungs. Feel the warmness and the coolness of the air. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrutyormukshiyamamruta. 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 Om Triambakam Yajamahe सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे 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 सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। One can do this pranayama